Thabo Flo Mokale, Flo the poet, Flo the photographer, Flo the coach, Coach Mboze, Flo the artist, Flo the philanthropist. I'm a founder of the Flo Foundation and K1 Phoenix netball team. Uh, in April, I suffered a devastating fire that took everything. When I mean everything, I mean my clothes. I mean the kits for my netball team. I mean my photographic equipment, which I was coming back to reconnecting after I suffered a theft last year, which also took all the equipment that I used to teach the kids with the people of Gasi. The Freeman Brotherhood movement. Today, these group of brothers, young black men who support each other through the devastating times that we are going through, have come through to come and support me. But these are my friends. These are my peers. These are my for them coming here, for them saying, Flo, you exist. Flo, you are important. Flo, you are alive. Flo, there's somebody that cares about you. There's somebody, we don't have to, to, to be seen, to know that, you know what, we exist. To me, that thing, it is beyond words. For a poet to lose words like this, guys, is embarrassing. But I'm so appreciative. I'm beyond. I'm beyond. You know, as black men, we are going through the most. As artists, we are going through the worst. And for fellow artists and fellow business people and fellow brothers who take their time to actually, you know what, to come and support us, man. Bona. I'm so happy. I'm beyond. There's so many stuff that's going on in the background, but the fire devastated me, killing me. Brothers come through, say, I'll support. What do you need? We are here for you. We are here for you today. And you know what? Whatever, man. Sometimes we just need for people to say, hey, can we talk? Can we, you know, like Kevin Campbell, but for a minute. Right now, where we are is the room that the fire happened, you know, where we lost equipment, where we lost netball kits, where we lost everything, my clothing, everything, bedding, bona. When I say everything, my daughter's new phone, 2.5 in can you sing my daughter? How? But it used to be a sore site, as you can see. Art therapy on the walls, and you know, they say where you got hurt is where you're gonna rise from. So as you can see behind me, you know, brothers, within the darkness we shine the brightest. Do not take your light lightly. Yeah, it takes the blackest night to shine the brightest light. So I'm no longer stressed or depressed or under anxiety. Now, when I say yellow bone, but right now I am rising. Thank you, Freeman Brotherhood. Thank you, World. Thank you, everybody who supported us. Thank you for those who came and put out the fire. Hey, neighbors, thank you, man. Thank you, community. Bona, nakisha pokalo.
This is Freeman Brotherhood Movement. The movement was created in 2014. It was a group of brothers that felt that we need to invest a lot of time in mental health support structures that we needed as brothers. I'm one of the co-founders. The name of the group is Freeman. The group or the movement is Freeman Brotherhood Movement. The Freeman is in a singular form, meaning that each and every brother comes in his own accord to create this movement. As one of the co-founders once said, it's not a movement, but a movement with MENT at the end. There's a gentleman by the name of Freeman who was a very close friend and cousin of mine who passed on, and he did an amazing job as Soweto. And when he passed on, I felt I should continue the baton, take the baton from him, and continue with being my brother's keeper, which then brings me to what the initiative is about today. This initiative is called My Brother's Keeper Initiative. Yes, it has elements of Abel and Cain in the Bible, but to a greater extent, this is about making sure that we take care of our brothers. And today we are here to support our brother Thabo Flo Mokale, who has had a few challenges in life. And every now and then when one of our brothers get hurt, we offer bandages, both spiritually and physically. So that's why we are here today.